Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making ice cream cone macarons. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. All right, let's get started. List of ingredients are... All right, wait, hold up. I really need your help. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I know if you subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family, I know you can help me get there. Thank you so much. All right, now let's get started with the video. List of ingredients are 130 grams of powdered sugar, 130 grams of almond flour, 90 grams of granulated sugar, 3 egg whites, and just a pinch of cream of tartar. So we'll start off by combining the almond flour and the powdered sugar in a food processor. And after a couple of minutes, we'll go ahead and run it through a sieve. And discard any large almond pieces that may be left. Now we'll go ahead and start our meringue. So in the bowl of a stand mixer, which is fitted with a whisk attachment, I have 3 egg whites and just a little bit of cream of tartar. We'll turn that on a low to medium speed until the cream of tartar has dissolved. Then we'll bump it up to medium and slowly add the granulated sugar. Once the sugar has dissolved, we'll go ahead and bump it up to a medium-high speed until the meringue forms stiff peaks. Something like this. Once the meringue is done, we can go and add in about 1/3 of the dry ingredients, and we'll begin to fold that very gently. So once that's mixed in, we'll go ahead and add the rest of the dry ingredients and continue to fold. So once the dry ingredients are all folded in, we want to start adding color. This batter in particular, I'm going to split up into 3 different colors. We'll start off with a light pink, Next color is brown. And then finally red. We'll place each color into a separate piping bag fitted with a round piping tip. We'll start off by creating the cone. And we just want to tap the tray a few times to release any air bubbles. Then we can move on to the scoop of ice cream. And while the batter is still wet, we'll go ahead and add some sprinkles. And next we'll complete the ice cream cone by putting a cherry on top. So we'll let these dry for about a half hour to 45 minutes. Once you can touch the tops and your fingers come off clean, they're ready to go in a preheated 300-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And once they're done, we want to take them out of the oven and let them cool completely before removing them from the pan. Now we can finish creating the cone. Here I just have an edible marker. I'll actually leave a link in the description box below where you can get some. And we'll just draw some diagonal lines to make a waffle cone. Isn't that cute? So now it's time to fill them. Here I'm just using some vanilla buttercream, but you can use anything you'd like a chocolate ganache, a curd, jams. I'll leave a link to my chocolate ganache recipe in the description box, also in the link above if you want to check that out. Look how adorable. Ice cream cone macarons. They're so cute and they taste amazing.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.